time is here and now. All ground, new ground. What does it feel like to be running today?
It will send a message to other females who are still reluctant or considering that maybe they have any doubts to come out, that this is a message that we would like to send them and say, come, you're not alone, we will do this together, and the time is now.